One of the more difficult situations we run into in our practices are those patients that happen to lose a tooth, teeth, or their entire dentition. It can be particularly traumatic for most people. Within the last 15, 20 years or so, not many options were available that were consistently comfortable for patients. We've had partial dentures, and we've had bridges, which really require the cutting down of natural teeth. But with the advent of dental implantology, we've really entered into a new space completely, where dental implants can replace one tooth, several teeth, or an entire mouth of teeth. With the latest technology, we have the ability to make dental implant treatment look completely natural. From a standpoint of how implants feel, patients tell us that they feel just like natural teeth. It's incredibly important to us that the bite, or what we call function, or the comfort that patients feel is such that it does blend in with the rest of their natural teeth, and that their experience is as if they don't have any implants at all.